Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace windshield washer nozzle Honda Pilot. Begin by opening the hood, locating the nozzle, and disconnecting the washer hose. Remove the old nozzle by releasing the retaining clips. Prepare the new nozzle, test fit, and reconnect the hose. Align spray pattern with the windshield and secure clips. Close the hood and test washers from inside the cabin to confirm proper coverage and flow. In this video, I will show how to replace windshield washer nozzle Honda Pilot. Park on level ground and open the hood to inspect the nozzle location. Drain a small amount of fluid if needed and protect painted surfaces with a towel. Lay out tools within reach and wear gloves to improve grip. Keep replacement parts close and test the new nozzle before final reassembly to avoid repeated removal and reinstallation. In this video, I will show how to replace windshield washer nozzle Honda Pilot. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal if you are concerned about electronics. Release the nozzle retaining clips using a trim pick or flathead and ease the nozzle out. Remove the hose, inspect for clogs, then push the new nozzle into the mounting slot until it seats securely. Reattach the hose, test spray pattern, and make minor angle adjustments for even.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.